Okay, this is question number 10 from section 10.5 on the homework, and it has an angle on the outside of a circle, and it's got the two rays of the angle passing through the circle, forming what are called secant lines. And when you do that, you outline two different arcs. So you get, let's see, let's grab highlighter. You get an arc here, and you get a bigger arc out here, and they're giving you those two values as algebra expressions. So the equation that we use that governs this is the angle equals the big arc, I'll just write big, minus the little arc, so I'll write little, divided by 2. And that was one of the items that we talked about in the notes. So the way these all structure when you have the angle on the outside is the angle equals, in this case big, is 3x minus 2. Minus little is x plus 6, and then we're going to divide that all by 2. From here, I'm going to take and distribute that minus sign to each of those pieces. So I've got minus x minus 6, and I'm going to divide by 2. And then I've got 3x minus x, so that's 2x. Negative 2 and negative 6 is minus 8, and divide that all by 2. And when you divide a fraction and you have two things on top, each needs to be divided by whatever's on the bottom. So 2x divided by 2 is x, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then we're going to add a 4 to both sides. And finally, we get our answer, which is x is 38. And that's it. On this one, they're not asking us to do, let's see if I can get the diagram in there. They're not asking us to do anything more with it, just find x. And we did. So x is 38, and that is problem number 10.